Does Feng Shui really works? If it does, how does it work? Welcome to Renopedia's brand new episode of Renopod. I will be answering all your questions about Feng Shui today. I'm Tracy, I'm your host for today, and with me we have Master Alvin, who has been in the industry for more than 20 years. Master Alvin, can you introduce about yourself?
Oh, sure, Tracy, thank you. Okay, call me Master Alvin. Okay, I'm in this field started in 2005, okay, to serve the public, and yeah, in 2012, I start my academy. So those who are interested in Feng Shui, so I will be teaching them on what is the authentic Feng Shui stuff, and how to make yourself benefited from Feng Shui. Yeah, so yep, I will be here to answer all your questions.
Okay, I think the most common question that people want to know is Feng Shui a magic?
What do you think, Tracy?
I think it's very subjective, but it's good to know, good to follow if you can. It's just a little bit plus point to whatever that you have, like, yeah, positive.
Yeah. Okay, very positive vibes. Okay, so very good. What is Feng Shui? So Feng Shui is not a magic. Okay, it's about environmental energy. We make use of this, what we call environmental energy to benefit our daily lives. 就是这样。
Interesting. So I think many people will want to know, like, does Feng Shui really help in improvement? For example, like, let's say if I'm a lawyer, some people will see Feng Shui to believe in Feng Shui, and then they will help in like winning cases and stuff like that.
Okay, definitely. For Feng Shui part, okay, many people has been thinking, wow, Feng Shui, once I implement the Feng Shui, I will see instant change. And that's not the right thing. Okay, Feng Shui is to help. Okay, is to make use of the environmental to help you. Okay, but there is a need of human action. Maybe I quote you an example. Okay, if a person who is 要叫我布他的桃花位。 But if this person is an 8 to 5 person, and also he likes to after 8 to 5 go back home,
introvert.
Yeah, introvert. 你觉得他会找到男女朋友吗？
True.
You need human action, okay, in order to benefit from the Feng Shui part. Yeah.
So what is the best Feng Shui facing? Like we're talking about housing,
okay,
right?
if you talk about this good and bad facing stuff, right? We got a thing called 三元九运. Now we have period 9. I think 很多人都在听九运 I think 你也是有听过吧？
有听过，但我不知道什么意思。
对，九运 every 20 years there will be change of energy. So 2004年到2023年，它是一个8运，就是一个运 ，OK， 20年。So 2024年 which is this year, OK， 到2043年，它又是一个20 years 的一个大运 ，OK。So 现在离卦。 So if you talk about this, what is the best facing in general? You can look for houses with the north-south facing.
North-south 新加坡是哪里啊？
North will be at the Woodland area.
Woodlands 或是
Yishun, yeah. South 就会是在那个Harbourfront 那边那边附近。
你们有听到啊？要买房子了 ，OK？
好。
Okay, so these two now is bad. Then what is the let's say like bad. Maybe try to avoid kind.
Try to avoid. Okay, definitely. If you can, you look for a professional Feng Shui master. They will definitely go through your external factor and also your internal factor. But to me, external factor is important. There is many people 他就是忽略的我们说外局 because why 外局 you can't change. So 当然如果 if you can, okay, look for a professional Feng Shui master. They will definitely go through your external, okay, to go through, make sure that the external don't have big issue. Okay, internally, okay, we can renovate.
So Feng Shui, is it a religious thing?
So do you think it's a religion?
Okay, I personally feel more Chinese will go and believe in Feng Shui. Maybe I'm wrong, I'm not too sure.
Okay, so basically it's about energy. So it's about science. So in the universe, we have this thing called true north. So that is why our, 你懂罗盘 or our compass 指南针 You see the 指南针 people already say 指南 already. The compass needle always point to the south. Okay, 是因为我们有一个 true north side, opposite side. North south 是 connect 的，所以那个 universe 的我们说那个 that side is north, right? So 那个 needle will be facing the south. South north will connect. So 这就叫指南针. So it's about magnetic field. Okay, so it's science. Yeah, it's science.
Oh, okay. So it's nothing to do with religious lah.
Oh, definitely. If you talk about religious, many people have a misconception. Is because why some of our masters lah, okay, or they are used religious because religious is positive. They feel that they can suppress the what we call the negative energy at that area. So this is feng shui.
Yeah. Okay, so maybe like you can share a bit. What is a bad feng shui?
Bad feng shui is that when you move to the house, okay, the occupants in the house, 全部人都会常常吵架。Okay, this is one of them. 常常吵架。The other one will be example is that 进去我的生意原本很好的 suddenly go bankrupt. This is what we call bad feng shui lah. Okay, but some of the people they don't see feng shui before they move in.
Right, because from my friends around me, they always look for master after they move in.
That's wrong.
So it's wrong actually.
Yes, it's wrong.
So remember, I must before you move in, must ask the Fengshui Master.
But that definitely I will need to explain this part, okay? Because to let you guys know, okay, why you need to find a professional Feng Shui Master before, okay, you do any renovation. Okay, simple as that. Once you move in, okay, we got 天地人. Okay, 天 is the date selection. 地 is the what we call your house, and the human, the 人 part. Okay, so once you go in and move in without any date selection, okay, you don't know whether that day you have any negative energy to the house or to the human.
Timing.
Yes, the timing part. Okay, so you move in, okay, it might, crashes you or have some negative energy, or the yearly negative energy is sitting on the house. So it might, complicate all these things, and you go move in. Once you move in, things might not be good.
Tips.
Renovation, before renovation. Yeah.
So like, okay, so let's say we move in already. Before that, we see a master. So is it a yearly thing that we need to see a master, or is it like a one time, or the next time I see will be the next house that I move in?
Very good question. Okay, then can I ask you one thing? Do you do product checkup yearly?
Yes.
That's the thing. Feng Shui Master is a house doctor. Okay, so in the house, there is a permanent magnetic field, which is stay there forever. But every year, there is also energies, okay, that also react with the permanent magnetic field. So why Feng Shui Master can tell you what is going to happen on that year to who? It's because why? The reaction with the energy.
Wow! Thank you, Master Alvin, for your insights, and I hope you guys learned as much as I did today about Feng Shui. So, just a question. Does rolling pineapple into new home brings more luck and wealth? You want to know the answer? Join us in our next episode and we will solve this mystery and more tips for you about Feng Shui. Come join us and see you guys there. Bye bye!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation